Hi, if you are wondering whether your Google Pixel Watch 3 has GPS, let me answer this question. So firstly, press the scroll to open list of apps, and here find settings. Now we need to scroll a bit down, and as you can see, we got this location section. So we can enable and disable location, which proves that this watch has GPS functionality, as location services require GPS to operate efficiently. You can also go back in apps list and here find Fitbit exercise, go in its settings and find GPS itself, where you can turn it on to improve accuracy of tracking and location. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.